are going to start our science lesson with new topic, the main biological processes in plants. So first of all, we have to identify what are the biological processes. The chemical reaction or other events that are taking place inside living beings be known as biological processes. So, examples: respiration, reproduction, locomotion, likewise. As well as we know that animals, plants, and microorganisms are the major types of living organisms. In this lesson, we'll focus only the biological processes happen inside plants. So, here, what are the biological processes that are taking place in plants? There are 4 biological processes: photosynthesis, transportation, transpiration, as well as decadation. In this lesson, as well as in this part, we'll focus the first biological function, photosynthesis. The plants can produce their own food. Therefore, they are known as autotrophic organisms. The plants provide food for all the living beings directly or indirectly. So, animals as well as the microorganisms we can known as heterotrophic organisms. So, it is said that plants are contributed for the existence of life, supplying food for all living beings. The leaf is the main organ which produces food. Then, let's look at what are the factors necessary for photosynthesis. There are 4 factors: carbon dioxide, water, light energy comes from sun, as well as the chlorophyll. Out of these 4 factors, carbon dioxide, water, light energy, we consider as external factors, and only chlorophyll we have to identify as the internal factor. Then, let's look at how these factors obtain from environment. The first one, carbon dioxide gas. It enters to the leaf through stomata from atmosphere. Then water. The water enters to the root through the root hairs from ground or soil. Then that water is transported to the leaf through xylem. Xylem is the specific tissue that is responsible to transport water throughout the plant. Then next, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs light. This is a green color pigment in chloroplast in plant cell, and food is produced in chloroplast. Finally, light energy. The chloroplast absorbs energy in sunlight when on the surface of the leaf. Let's look at photosynthesis as the process. How to define photosynthesis? The process of producing food using carbon dioxide and water as raw materials, sunlight as energy source in plant cells which contain chlorophylls. Here it produces glucose as main product. Not only the glucose, it will produce oxygen gas as the byproduct. Then, this is the way how to illustrate this process by using a word equation. You can identify here carbon dioxide plus with water and with the support of light energy comes from sun, as well as with the presence of chlorophyll pigment inside plant, it will result to produce glucose as the major product with the byproducts of oxygen gas. So then, what happened to the glucose produced during photosynthesis? The glucose firstly convert it into starch. Not only that, then later starch also convert it into sucrose. This is the type of way how food transport through the plant parts. So the sucrose is transported to the relevant places of the plant and again convert it into starch and store permanently. It will be plant fruits, leaves, stem part, likewise. Then next, what are the importance of photosynthesis? As I told earlier, it will on the process supplies food for living beings, as well as it controls the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. So it results to reduce global warming and it provides oxygen for respiration. So these are the facts we have to discuss under the first part of the lesson, the first biological function, photosynthesis. So that's all. Then let us meet with another biological functions of the plants. Thank you.